Hello everyone. We have this question x minus 4 all power 6 equal to x power 6, and we have to solve this question for the value of x. So let's start the solution of this question. First of all, we will set this x minus 4 all power 6 on this side of the equation. So our equation will become x power 6. This is power 6 and minus x minus 4 all power 6 equal to 0. And now we can split this x power 6 into 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equal to 6. And similarly here 3 into 2, which is equal to 0. And now according to exponent rule, as we know that a power m into n equal to a power m all power n, this is exponent rule. So we will shift or this part of the question in this type. So let's shift it. So we can write this x power 3 into 2 as x cube all power squared or all squared, and similarly x minus 4 cube all power squared or all squared, which is equal to 0. So now here this is in the form of a square minus b square. Here we have this whole value, that is x cube equal to a, and x minus 4 cube equal to b. So we will use algebraic identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b, and we will expand this according to this algebraic identity, where a equal to x cube and b equal to x minus 4 all cube. So let's expand this question. So this question will become a minus b into a plus b equal to 0. And now we will compare these two parts separately with this 0. So it means that x cube minus x minus 4 all power 3 equal to 0, and similarly this part equal to 0. And now we have these two parts of this question, and we will solve these two parts separately or one by one to find out the value of x. So first of all, we will solve this part of the equation. So let's solve this x cube minus x minus 4 all cube equal to 0. And here we will again we will apply algebraic identity, which is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. And here we have a equal to x and b equal to x minus 4. So let's expand this question according to this algebraic identity. So this will become a minus b, that is a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared equal to 0. And now this will become x minus x, and this will be minus when multiplied with minus equal to plus 4, and then this x square plus here this x into x equal to x square, and x multiplied by minus 4 equal to minus 4x. And here this is a minus b all squared formula, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b squared. So if we expand this part of the question according to a minus b all squared formula, so this will become x squared minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. And here this x will minus x will cancel this x, so this will become 4. And here this x square plus x square and plus x square will become 3x squared. And similarly this minus 4x and this minus 8x equal to minus 12x, and this plus 16. So the whole equation equal to 0. And now we will divide by 4 on both sides. So let's divide both sides by 4. So when we divide by 4 on both sides, so this 4 will cancel this 4. So and here 0 divided by 4 equal to 0. So overall our equation will become 3x square minus 12x plus 16 equal to 0. And now this equation is a quadratic equation basically. So we will solve this part of the question by quadratic equation. So according to quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And here we have A equal to 3, B equal to minus 12, and C equal to 16, like this. Now we will put these values in this quadratic formula. So let's put these values in this quadratic formula. So this will become minus into b equal to minus 12, and plus minus square root of b squared, that is minus 12 squared, minus 4ac, and divided by 2a, where a equal to 3. And now this minus, when multiplied with minus, so will become plus. So 12 plus minus 12 squared equal to 144, and 4 into 3 into 16 equal to 192. So 144 minus 192 divided by 6. And 144 minus 192 equal to minus 48. So now this square root of minus 48 can be written as 4 squared into minus 3, because this 4 squared equal to 16, and 16 into minus 3 equal to minus 48. So we can write this minus 48 like this, and then this square will cancel this square root, so 4 will come out of the root. So the question will become 12 plus minus 4 into under root minus 3 divided by 6. And now here, look at this under root minus 3. We can write this under root minus 3 as under root minus 1 into 3. And similarly, we can write as under root minus 1 and into under root 3, because we can write under root or square root on both separately. And then this square root of minus 1 or under root minus 1 equal to iota, as we know by mathematics formula. So we will write iota over here. So this will become iota under root 3. So it means that we can put iota under root 3 in place of under root minus 3. So let's put it. So the question will become 12 plus minus 4 iota under root 3, because this under root minus 3 equal to iota under root 3 and divided by 6. And now here we will divide this 6 with both the parts of this question, that is 12 divided by 6 and 4 iota under root 3 divided by 6. So this will become 2, and here this will become 2 divided by 3. So 2 iota under root 3 divided by 3. So these are two values of x, that is 2 plus 2 iota under root 3 and 2 minus 2 iota under root 3 divided by 3. So these are two solutions of the question, and we have solved the first part of the question, and now we will solve the other part of the question, which was in plus over here. The previous part were in minus. So we will use the plus formula, that is the algebraic identity of a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b squared. So here we have a equal to x and b equal to x minus 4. So let's expand this part of the equation according to this formula. So the equation will become a plus b into a squared minus ab, that is a and b, and plus b squared equal to 0. And now this x plus x will become x plus x minus 4, and this x squared, then this minus, and x multiplied by x equal to x squared, and this will become minus. This minus, when multiplied with this minus, will become plus. So overall this will become 4x, and here x minus b all squared, which is algebraic identity a minus b all squared, and when we expand this, so this will become x squared minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. And now this will become 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 4, and here this x squared will cancel this minus x squared. So the only x squared is this one. So x squared and this plus 4x and minus 8x. So plus 4x minus 8x equal to minus 4x. And similarly, plus 16 over here. So plus 16 equal to 0. And now we will compare these two values with 0, that is 2x minus 4 equal to 0, and x squared minus 4x plus 16 equal to 0. So here this 2x equal to 4, and then x divided by 4, x equal to 4 divided by 2, like this. x equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So this is the third value of x, which is equal to 2. And this part of the question, which is x square minus 4x plus 16 equal to 0, again it's a quadratic equation. So for quadratic equation we will use quadratic formula like previous. So but here we have one x square, that is a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 16, like this. And now we will put these values in this quadratic formula. So let's put these values. So minus and b equal to minus 4 plus minus under the root b squared minus 4a equal to 1 and c equal to 16 and divided by 2a equal to 1. So this minus 4 when this minus and minus 4 when multiplied equal to plus 4. So 4 plus minus square root of this will become 16, and this will become 4 times 16 equal to 64 divided by 2, and 16 minus 64 equal to minus 48 and divided by 2. And now this minus 48, so we can write this minus 48 as 4 under root minus 3, as we have done this calculation in the previous part. So we can write this under root minus 48 as 4 into under root minus 3 divided by 2. And as we have told as under root minus 3 equal to iota under root 3. So we will put iota under root 3 in place of under root minus 3. So this iota under root 3, and here we will take 2 as common. So after taking 2 common from here, so the remaining term will be 2, and here also 2 iota under root 3 and divided by 2. Now this 2 will cancel this 2, so overall this value will become 2 plus minus 2 iota under root 3. And now we will write this plus minus separately. So x equal to 2 plus 2 iota under root 3, and x equal to 2 minus 2 iota under root 3. So this was the solution of this question. This was our question, and now we have 5 solutions of this question, which are x1 equal to 2 plus 2 iota under root 3 divided by 3, and this value minus, and similarly x equal to 2. This is the only real solution of this question, and all other 4 solutions are imaginary solution or complex root. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.